You know you need to lift weights, but you don't care how big your biceps are anymore. So how to get into a lifting program? You might be coming back to one, or this might be the first time you're doing it. Here are 3 things you want to make sure you do when you're getting into a lifting program or back into a lifting program. Step 1, learn the basics. We start with the big 3 movements, that is the squat, the deadlift, and the press. These movements are going to give you the best bang for your buck, and they're actually going to make you strong instead of just looking strong. Your biceps might be big, but if you can't deadlift very much, you're not strong. The other thing that's nice about the basic movements is it helps you learn your way around the barbell. To learn these movements, you want to get a coach. You want somebody that can show you the right way to move, can correct your form, and make sure that they bring you along in a way that makes sense. Now, the coach will also help you set your program. When you're first starting out, you don't want to just do any kind of random movements and hope that gets you progress. You want a program that gives you progressive resistance over time. There's lots of programs out there, but your coach will help you pick the best one. Step number 2, forget your ego. Form comes before weight. Forget what you know and do it right. Good form helps you build a foundation of strength. If something feels sketchy, it is sketchy. Don't push yourself beyond what you are capable of until you are ready. Your body will tell you what feels right and what doesn't. You also want to forget everyone else at the gym. Don't pay attention to what the people that have been doing this for 5 years are lifting when you're just getting started on your first day. Even if you've been lifting just as long as everyone else, it doesn't mean that you're going to do what they can do that day. Step number 3, think long term. You want to celebrate small wins in your training. Your goal is to get 1% better every single day. So you want to celebrate every little thing that you're doing so that you can get to that long-term strength. You also don't want to go 100%. Unless you're in a competition, 100% is a path towards injury. So if you're only going 80, 90% of what you're capable of, you will constantly get stronger. A lot of people will go to the gym and they'll try to max out their back squat or their bench press or whatever, and that's how they get hurt. And if you're hurt for 8 weeks, 12 weeks, or whatever, you're not going to get stronger. Last step in thinking long-term is do your mobility. Strength is no good if you can't move. And the more you can move in full range of motion, the more you'll be able to do outside of the gym. And that's the reason you're getting strong in the first place. Now, when you're doing your strength training program, is it better to do it one-on-one or in a group? Go check out this video over here to compare going solo versus group training. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.